Right, I'm back with the BYD Shark. In my last video, I was complaining about someone drilling some holes down here and here and fitting some really rangy switches, which are these things. So I've removed all this lot, tidied the wiring up, couple of grommets to blank the holes, best I can do. It's pretty dull before you drill, but there you go, let's leave that one. And also we've had some issues with the wiring because they've used a fuse tap, and I bloody hate these fuse taps because anyone who goes to work on the vehicle afterwards, you've only got to look at these and they fall out, or you have to be really careful what circuit you use because if you tap onto the wrong circuit and they get removed, well, bad things can happen. So what happened to yours, mate?
The fuse fell out and put the vehicle into limp mode.
And how fast could you go?
30 k's maximum.
There you go. Why I hate these bloody things. So anyway, these switches gone. We now have these ones up here. These are Toyota switches. This is the new console bit up here. So it replaces this bit. This simply unclips. That goes in there. And we have the alarm LED in the middle, so that will flash when the alarm's armed. And we've got zombie lights, and we've got the light bar, and a USB charging port. So if you want your switches done tidily and your wiring done good, or you need an alarm, hit me up at vehiclesecurity.co.nz.